smart investors, a journey we started sometime last year. Today we are handing over keys to our special investors that keyed in, that believed in us when it was just bare land, when it was just blocks and bricks. Today we are handing over keys to our subscribers that subscribe to the Zularich Residence. Remember this project that I introduced to you sometime last year? Today we are handing over keys to our various clients that made their payments on 100%. I am going to move into the estate and we'll tour the estate. We'll move into 1 or 2 units so that you will see what we have done, what we have achieved within the space of months. And today we are gradually coming to the end of it. In fact, we have come to the end of it, which is a final key handover. So if this is your first time of coming across this channel and you are willing and you know you want to invest in an off-land project, this is the best channel for you to click and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will stay updated. Okay, I want to flip my camera and move into the Zularich Residence. See you soon.
Once more, you're welcome to Zularich Residences, a project by Zularich Properties Limited. So, the video you just watched is kind of portraying what you should be expecting from us on our next project, all the plans we have at Zularich Properties Limited. So, currently, we have a new project that will be in the market in a very short period of time. This particular project is a serviced estate also, and it's fully built. It's a pay and parking just like this one. The structures are already completed. All what you need to do is to key into the project, and your project will also be handed over to you, just like we're doing today. That particular one is located off Monastery Road here in Sangotedo. So your clients, the realtors and the clients can liaise with the realtors, please. So let the realtors bring you on board. You can go into the project, you can see for yourself, book for inspection, visit the place, and you can just key in with an initial deposit of 10 million naira, or you can do a commitment of 5 million naira, and a unit to be reserved for you. So that is for Zularich Residences Phase 2. So our Zularich Phase 3, which is also known as our Zularich Signature, is just located behind this school. If you look across this estate now, you'll see a road that is being constructed now. So currently we are doing the access road to make sure that the road is fully motorable for our clients and realtors. It's just within this estate, just a true stone from there, less than a minute drive from this junction here. So you get to the place. So that building you're seeing there, the 3D you just watched, that's exactly what we'll be putting on that place. Just as we did this, we'll have the 3D, and this, I can assure you that in a year time from today, 12 months time from today, that 2D you see here will be standing there. So all you need to do is to liaise with your realtors, and your realtors will take it off from you from there. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations on Mr. Enemo. Enoma, Felix, Asemota, yeah?